of me fondly when we say goodbye. Remember me once in a while, please promise me you'll try. When you find out once again you long to take your heart back and be free, if you ever find a moment, spare a thought for me. Said our love was evergreen, always a changing us to see. But if you can still remember, stop and think of me. Think of all the things we've shared and seen. Don't think about the way things might have been. Think of me waking silent and easy night. Imagine me trying too hard to put you from my mind. Recall those days, look back on all those times, think of the things we'll never do. There will never be a day when I won't think of you. Flowers fade, afraid of summer fade, and how they seasons, so do we. But please promise me that